That moment you realize your satellite dish makes the perfect tool for extreme floor hockey. This majestic lion looks ready to sneeze or start a meeting. Witness the ultimate betrayal as the black cat uses robot vacuum warfare. This cat is clearly a master of the catch and release program. Who needs a real exterminator when you have him? He really thinks he is a food critic while eating the exact same meal.
Penjilaan bayi main abisan kon babone ngoni manaan wis glutois iya.
Behold the golden monarch of Pondok Kelapa as he transitions from a blurry morning greeting to a full-blown theatrical performance. This British shorthair legend starts with a nose boop so close you can practically smell the expensive kibble on his breath. Next he pivots to show off his profile because he clearly knows his angles better than any professional runway model ever could. Bored in August and already owning the entire room, he decides that sitting is far too mainstream for a cat of his high stature. By the final frame he is reaching for the literal stars or perhaps just a very elusive moth on the ceiling. He is fluffy, he is fierce, and he is currently accepting applications for a full-time servant to handle his busy schedule of napping.
Cái này nấu canh chua không hề. Hay mình làm vào canh cà đi. Mình không có canh cà với quắt đi. Hay là canh cà với nhào đi. Hôm nay nấu cái món gì trứng lộn vậy? Mẹ ơi, người ta còn lấy cái trái nó nấu lẩu nữa đó. Hay tôm bịch rác hay chẳng hạn như con cá.
Watch these two fuzzy heavyweights engage in an absolute wrestling masterclass right on my kitchen floor today. Between the accidental somersaults and those frantic little bunny kicks, it is clear that neither of them actually knows how to fight. They are just chaotic fluff balls with zero coordination.
Mặc kệ cho anh dưng dưng nước mắt hai hàng lắm lem, thấy em cười mà lòng đớn đau vô cùng. Một cuộc tình lỡ cho nói nhớ nó chẳng thế thôi, có chiếc lá buồn mà rụng rơi, cái trái tim may tan vỡ rồi. Tự mình bật câu giữa bóng.
Meet Simone, the calico intellectual who takes bedtime stories more seriously than most scholars take their dissertations. While other cats are busy chasing imaginary red dots or knocking expensive glassware off the kitchen counter, Simone prefers the sophisticated world of literature. Just look at that intense gaze and those bright green eyes. He is hanging on every single word, analyzing the plot twists and probably judging the character development of the protagonist. It is hard to tell if he is actually interested in the narrative arc or if he is just waiting for the part where the main character finally opens a can of premium tuna. One thing is certain, having a cat as a literary critic makes for a very crowded bed and a highly judgmental reading experience. Simone is not just a pet, he is a very fluffy book club president.
Cerita aja kita berdua. Ini udah jadi ritual wajib kami setiap malam. Menurut kalian, Cemang beneran paham ceritanya atau cuma mau ikut nimbrung aja nih? Coba komen di bawah ya. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe biar nggak ketinggalan momen-momen lucu Cemang lainnya. Sampai
udah makasih. Gitu aja baru disuruh micit aja. Kesel.
Behold the majestic golden British shorthair, a creature of pure grace and accidental comedy. In these 5 frames, our tiny protagonist transitions from a fierce living room hunter to a confused potato sitting on a bench. He starts with a dramatic paw swipe that says "catch me if you can," but quickly shifts into a look of profound existential dread. By the final shot, he looks like he just remembered he left the oven on or realized his bowl is only half full. Born on Christmas Eve, he is clearly the gift that keeps on giving. Come meet this round lad in East Jakarta before he decides to retire from modeling.
Làm gì vậy? Con làm gì vậy? Nhìn đây nè, chụp hình thôi. Sao nãy giờ giỡn được mà chụp hình cái không cho vậy?
Observe this tiny feline gourmet wearing a peach outfit while diving face first into a purple breakfast bowl. This fashion-forward kitten clearly believes that matching your clothes to your fancy meal is the peak of elegance. Look at this majestic fluffy cloud patrolling the floor on those tiny majestic stilts. He moves with the ultimate confidence of a lion but has the ground clearance of a lowered sports car. 1 minute he is posing for the camera and the next he is zooming away into the great unknown abyss.
We went from a size 10 to a size 20 in the space of 1 year. What was causing all that?
Food.
These two are locked in a high-stakes investigation of absolutely nothing. One acts as the vigilant lookout while the other conducts a thorough perimeter sweep of the driveway. They are incredibly serious about their mission to do nothing all day long.
Mes, mau kemana? Ajakin main kakaknya nih. Kagak.
Liếm lẹ rồi à? Cái bạn ổ.
Mili, main sama Mili. Nih, kok malah garuk-garuk lagi. Mana mainnya? Za. Masa? Seru banget.
ngapa dicabut itu ikat rambut? Itu ikat rambut Arin loh.
This golden fluff is clearly rethinking every life choice as the neon feather toy teleports through time and space. Hunter instincts are currently loading, but please wait while the brain cell finishes rebooting.
No work. No school. No bills. Just sleep. Just eat. Just poop.
Found a tuxedo kitten guarding the perimeter today. He starts off looking incredibly majestic like a tiny gargoyle but clearly loses interest halfway through his shift. By the end, he is just contemplating whether that passing bird is a friend or a snack. Absolute peak performance from the neighborhood security team. Look at this ginger genius contemplating his life choices after his partner in crime escaped. He is now the sole king of the castle but clearly misses his favorite chaos companion. Home alone and absolutely zero service.
Si Amer embuina kabur ulinnya mernya.
Behold this orange potato with legs and zero thoughts. One moment he is a fuzzy nugget and the next he is a tiny cloud of chaos. This kitten is pure perfection.